Hey guys, Happy New Year again. It's January 2nd, 2025. Yeah, buddy. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating an AM-8 track out of a 1970 Plymouth GTX. This comes from John in Clover, South Carolina. John has requested just the basic internal conversion to add FM. And since we're using the radio's original connectors, we don't get that big increase in output power, but we have FM and an aux input. So let's go ahead and turn it on and make sure everything works. I've got it set to AM at the moment to the one strong station I get.
At you pick it, we have the grown-up version of your treasure hunt.
Let's check our balance control.
At you pick it, the treasure hunt is on. Find your needed car
balance left,
part, bring your own
right,
tools and pull your own parts.
left,
Need to get
right.
rid of a vehicle? We'll pick it up.
Okay, center up.
Open 7 days a week.
Tone.
At Valley and Flagstaff and online at upetaz.com.
Okay, now we're going to move over to FM.
upetaz.com.
Which, if your radio doesn't have an AM FM switch, you switch bands by turning it off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM.
God,
Let's run down.
strong in his faithfulness, praise and sin.
To make sure that things go off. Addressing the tragedy yesterday,
Mi esperanza y me des la fe. The Word of God.
Catch me with
Began sending his forecasting to everyone who constant.
and the grab.
Nobody on the curve. The number 4.
Friend, we're asked by Elizabeth Las Vegas are trying to learn.
Okay, let's try the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedaka here.
Collection now, it's a stuff. Choo choo. Now I know this advice that I give it all. Got a one-way.
Alrighty. Pull the tape out, radio comes back on. So she's ready to go. Let me just make sure the dial light comes on when it's supposed to. You can't see it, but I can. And yes, sir, we got a nice soft green glow there. So we're ready to go back. I'm ready to get on to the next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below. And from that website, please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because all those questions will be answered on the work order as you're filling it out. And it's natural to want to talk to me for a few minutes just to get to know me, and trust me, that's perfectly fine. But as far as answering the same 15-minute barrage of questions from every new customer, I'm just no longer able to do that because of my workload. I got to be on the bench where the work gets done. So please do that research before calling me with a bunch of questions. After that, I'm happy to talk to you, even to make a little bit of small talk. That's just fine. So thanks so much for watching and listening, guys. Thank you, John, for your business all the way from Clover, South Carolina. And we'll see you next time.